Hi, welcome to 3 Spoonsful by Shweta Mehra, and today we are going to see 3 amazing and nutritious salads, super easy to make. The first one is going to be called the Shot of Iron salad. This one is full of amazing goodness. It's got beetroot, it's got plums, it's got walnuts. Beets are going to help combat anemia, help to prevent signs of aging. Amazing source of fiber, folate, iron, and vitamin C. The plums will help to aid in the iron absorption and eliminate stress. And walnuts are also going to reduce stress, improve your metabolism, strengthen your lungs, and that's what we need exactly right now. They are rich in vitamin E, so it's full of goodness. And let's get started. So in a bowl, I'm going to be adding boiled beetroot. This is one beetroot which is boiled. It's quite a large beetroot. You can also use a roasted beetroot. To this, I'm just adding chopped plum. Haven't removed the skin or anything. It's a whole plum. I've just chopped it up. This is walnut. I have lightly toasted the walnuts. This is a mixture of olive oil, salt and pepper, and I'm just going to be drizzling that on top of my salad. And the last ingredient is half a teaspoon of lime juice, just to get the tanginess in, just to bring out all the flavors, and then we toss it up together and just serve it cold. Toss it well so that the whole dressing is incorporated properly. This is a super fresh, super yummy salad and everybody loves it. Very easy to put together and definitely give it a shot. The second one is called deconstructed cheese balls, and who doesn't like cheese balls? This salad is going to be full of corn, cheese, spinach, and coriander. It's amazing. It's going to detox, help you build up your B12 and everything. So let's get started with making this amazing salad, deconstructed cheese balls. I have taken a few baby spinach. You can actually even use whole spinach. I have just blanched them. I've put them in warm water, and now I'm just going to dry them and lay them out on the bowl so that they are going to be forming the base of our salad. So here's some baby spinach. I'm just drying them off. Even regular spinach will absolutely work. I was lucky enough to find baby spinach, so I'm using it. Spinach is amazing for everybody. It's high in fiber, low in calories, rich in nutrients, promotes glowing skin, strengthens bones, builds immunity, full of iron. So let's use that. Then there is boiled corn. This is just regular American corn that I've boiled, and I've layered it on top of the spinach, after which I'm going to be adding in some cheese. To this I'm adding a mixture of chopped coriander and green chilies, and this is just some croutons. This is toasted bread that I have chopped up, cubed, and I'm adding that. These are a few chili flakes I'm adding simply because it tastes nice. And then we mix it all together. Add salt and mix it well, and this is again a great salad to have. It really feels like when you bite into it, it really feels like having cheese balls. And do give this salad a try. And the last salad that we are going to make is called honey glazed carrots. So let's get started. So this is a salad in which you have to really thinly slice the carrots. Carrots are amazing for you again, improve your skin, helps in kidney function, great for the eyes. That's something we've always heard. Low calorie, detoxifying, cleansifying, everything. It's got a great amount of good fats for you, so go for the carrots. And then we're also going to be adding a few sesame seeds to this. So first, in a large bowl, we are going to take these thinly sliced carrots. It's julienne very well. To this, I'm going to be adding olive oil to honey and going to mix it well together. So it will take a while to mix because the consistency is really difficult to mix through, but olive oil and honey is going to work really well with this carrot. Honey is also a great source of antioxidants, helps to heal wounds. It's called liquid gold, soothes sore throats, supports your immune system. Now to this I'm going to be adding the chili flakes, salt, we just need to keep mixing this really well, then drizzle it all over your salads and toss it well together to incorporate it. And the last thing we add is toasted sesame seeds. Just on top of your salad, sesame seeds are a great source of fiber, support healthy bones, rich in calcium, boost energy levels. So again, a great thing to add. Just add it on top. And to give this entire salad a finishing touch, because I love to add colors, I'm just going in with some chopped coriander. And that's it. To serve this salad, you could serve it alongside with some chili vinegar. If anybody wants that, you can add it. And that's why I use this entire Mickey Mouse plate, so I could use the ears. And a little bit of soy sauce. If you have light soy sauce, you can use that. I had some dark soy sauce, I'm using that one. This is a delicious salad, so definitely give this recipe a try. It is fantabulous. Everybody who eats this loves it. And these were your 3 very easy, very nutritious, yummy salad recipes on 3 spoonsful. Give these a try and do tell us how you like them. This is our honey glazed carrots. They look so good. And this is our deconstructed cheese balls. Give this one a try as well. And our beetroot salad. So like, share and subscribe.